Hello, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle. Last puzzle of today is a tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cipher block, but in Japanese, Suguru. Yes, in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, September the 19th, 2022. I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars. The 4 stars, well, this one is really a 4 stars and a binary puzzle. And one left, yeah, the tectonic with 4 stars. And this will be number 5201. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 printed digits. Well, tectonics with 8, 9, or 10 printed digits, those are very hard. Yes, it's a hard puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. All right. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is can you see here the single box or boxes? I see here 2 single boxes. But single box is always a 1. Here 1 and there 1. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes here in this puzzle? No dual boxes. Triple boxes then. I see here triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers yet, but when you see a triple box, remember the box near the middle box, the inside box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. We have a 5 there, so this box should be definitely a 4. Here also a triple box. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or 5, but we have a 5 in this area. So this box is only for the 4. Here also, the box near the middle box, 4 or a 5. Let me mark those. Okay, more triple boxes. Let me check. No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. Quadra boxes, check. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. So the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, the T shape. To recognize, yes, we need to recognize some shapes. This one, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so that box has the same number as this box. All right, T shape. Only one T shape? No. Here we have also a T shape upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. All right. Here, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. 2 T shapes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. All right. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Then let me see. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? If you flip this, you will get the Z. This is the S. This is the S figure. When you see the S figure or shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 5. Okay. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Only one Z construction. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? The L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do I have all this? No, I have here one shape left. Yeah, one shape left. This shape, when you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. We have more of this kind of shape. Let me check. No, only 1. So here we have, let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, maximum 6, yes. This puzzle has maximum 6 of those shapes that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then let me see. Yeah. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Oh, we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Okay, that means that this box cannot be 1 or a 3. If I place a 1 here or a 3 here, I cannot fill any 1 or any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 2. Okay, so 1 and a 3 are left now in this triple box. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3, and this box is connected with that box, 1 or a 3. This box is also connected with that box, will be also 1 or a 3. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here in one of those 2 boxes, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, I cannot place the 4 here. I've told you we have a double 4 there. So this box should be definitely a 5. So here we have the other pair, the 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. 2 and a 4, okay. Well, these 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5 in. And it's connected with that box, should be also 1 and a 5. But we already have a 1 here in this area. So it can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 5. It's connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then now we have a 1 here. I've marked this box with 1 or a 3, so it can't be a 1 anymore. This box will be a 3. Is connected with that box, will be also a 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. Is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this T-shaped area. Here we have a 2 and a 4, so this box should be a 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4. Of course, this is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, it could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. Oh, wait, these 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Okay, so I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2, can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair, 2 and a 4. So the other pair in this area should be the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this Z or S construction for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Then this box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then almost finished. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Final number in this area for the number 3. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. Almost a 1 star. And I'm in the flow. So I've solved this again. I thought it was a 4 stars Tectonic, but this one, yes, definitely a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Monday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.